fellas? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. I'm with the RC Supremacy, and I do appreciate you guys taking the time to check us out. I've succumbed to the hype, boys. I have folded and purchased myself a Losi Promoto MX. For valid reason does this RC dirt bike belong on our dedicated rear-wheel drive RC drift channel. Because I am a washed up, has-been ex-professional motocross racer. I'm doing this for me. I need that feeling. Yes, guys, we used to race motocross professionally, and what a time it was. Now, has-been racer and hobby shop owner, we only have a very prominent future in Nathan's glizzy eating hot dog competitions and content creating. We will shred and scale this thing the RC Supremacy way. If you know, you know. And we'll be taking dudes out along the way. Let's get right into the box. Hey, just for a comparison, bro, I'm big body. Look at this thing. All right, let's get this up on the bench. Check this out, get some close-ups of it.
Listen here, you little bastard. You're gonna go out there. You're gonna hit all the doubles. The triples, you better huck them. And fix your posture. Looks like you're taking a shit all the time.
Alrighty, guys, we're on site, man. Huge shout out to NEWRED Hobbies here in Central Florida. It's my local off-road track, and they've got a prospering racing scene, off-road racing scene, 10 scale, and a bunch of stadium trucks. Check them out if you're in the area, little east of 75, and I promise you, great times ahead. Unbelievable hobby shop and good people, man. Shout out Tom, shout out Mike. We have a private track day with the Promoto MX today, so we're gonna go ahead and put this thing down and get some laps with it, try to get some good footy of it, what it's capable of. There are some nice little hucks out here, so we will be having some fun and going from there. I'm not gonna initialize, I'm not gonna show you the process and the steps to do so. Ton of videos out there already. We're just looking for that shred content. We're looking to put this thing on a track and get some good laps. So let's do so. I don't know how the knobbies are gonna fare. This is a hard pack, a little bit grippier clay. Yeah, just see how she does and let me know. Drop a comment down below, guys. just a post battery review. I was very, very impressed, guys. However, it was a lot harder to drive than I thought it was gonna be. That gyro is no joke. Though I have some experience on the drift side of things in gyro assisted counter steer, this was totally different. You can see why it drives so well, because it is so combative and keeping its balance, but it definitely was a lot of fun. I'm gonna go ahead and get to doing some maintenance after that first run, which is tightening up the chain and just going through all the bolts and making sure she's sound. It took a little damage. I thought it was gonna take a lot more considering how much we augered this thing, but it was fantastic. Shout out to Losi, and look for a lot more crazy off the wall videos with the Losi, and some customizing too, man. We might scale her out, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Down below, make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to follow along for the ride, subscribe. Let's go. You gotta hit your track out here. Look, 2 tracks. Hit it up.